In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome Remote Desktop not working in Windows step by step so you can get your connection back up and running as quickly as possible. Whether you're seeing connection errors, a black screen, or Remote Desktop just refuses to load, these fixes will help you troubleshoot the most common causes without guessing. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection on both computers. Chrome Remote Desktop needs a stable internet connection on the host computer and on the computer you're connecting from. If either device has weak or unstable internet, the connection can fail. Try opening a website on both devices to make sure the internet is actually working. If things seem slow or unreliable, restart your router, reconnect to Wi-Fi, or even switch to a different network if possible. A weak connection is one of the most common reasons Chrome Remote Desktop stops working, so this is always the best place to start. Next, update Google Chrome. Open Chrome on your Windows PC, click the three dots in the top right, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates here. If an update is available, install it, and once it finishes, click Relaunch. Older versions of Chrome can cause compatibility issues with Chrome Remote Desktop, so keeping your browser up to date is a simple but very important fix. Now restart both computers. That means restarting the host computer and the computer you're connecting from. A quick reboot can clear temporary glitches, background bugs, stuck processes, and services that may be interfering with the remote connection. This may sound basic, but it often solves problems faster than anything else. If it still isn't working, remove the Chrome Remote Desktop extension and reinstall it. In Chrome, click the three dots, go to Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. Find Chrome Remote Desktop and click Remove. This helps clear out corrupted extension files that may be causing the issue. After removing it, reinstall the extension if needed and set it up again. This can often fix broken permissions or damaged browser data. After that, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Click your Chrome profile icon, choose Sign Out, and then log back into the same Google account you use for Chrome Remote Desktop. This refreshes account sync, authentication, and remote desktop permissions, which can help if the service got stuck or the account connection became out of date. Another useful step is to restart the Chrome Remote Desktop service in Windows. Press Windows +R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, find Chrome Remote Desktop Service, then right-click it and choose Restart. This refreshes the remote connection service directly in Windows and can fix issues where the background service has stopped responding. If you're still having trouble, go back and repeat the service restart one more time, because sometimes the service needs a second refresh after Chrome has been reinstalled or your account has been reconnected. Also, make sure Chrome is fully closed and reopened after each major step, so the changes can take effect properly. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the problem and get Chrome Remote Desktop working again in Windows. Start with the internet check, then update Chrome, restart both PCs, reinstall the extension, refresh your Google sign-in, and restart the service. That process covers the most common causes without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows and software fixes. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment with the exact error you're seeing, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.